I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Hi vlog, so I'm just gonna start a new vlog right now. I don't know if this is gonna be like me filming like a week in the life and Rebecca filming a separate week in the life and being like two separate videos, or if we're gonna like both film and put it in the same video. I'm not sure yet, but I just thought I would start a week in the life kind of video because everything is opening up now, so there's just like more to do and more to film, which is like definitely more exciting than us just sitting at home. So I am starting the vlog today. Later on we're going to Taylor's house, and yeah, I don't know what else I'm really gonna get up to today or the next couple of days, but I feel like there'll be a couple of things to film, and yeah. And I don't know if you can tell, me and my sister literally dyed my hair brown yesterday because it was so dark, and it always like wants to be like dark black, and it doesn't like suit my face because I'm so pale. So we dyed it brown. I don't know, yeah, you can kind of see in the lighting, but yeah. I'll probably just talk to you when we're at Taylor's later. Bye. Kelly made such a cute...
I can't believe this board fits this thing. That's
It's so
good,
cute.
right?
Yeah. He made us this.
Topped off. Yeah.
He's
Where are those from? All
bored.
down. They're like gross though.
And we have...
Like they are expensive, but they're like cheap. They're on sale.
I like those too. Grace is just wearing a more fancy version of my outfit. Honestly. We're wearing the same thing, but hers is more fancy.
Cardigan, I'm like,
That's not what you
you said
expected.
cardigan.
This is a cardigan.
yeah, okay, yeah.
But
no,
it's
but
just...
I always like when I think.
I know.
cardigan,
You
always-
definitely didn't think this.
No, I like.
Hi, vlog.
I was just about to send that in the chat. That's weird.
What?
It's a big bug.
Is that a real bug?
I don't know.
Oh. We're here at Taylor's, and Taylor just went to go get Rebecca a parking
You
pass.
have to edit your vlogs. You can't
I
keep
know.
just vlogging and not editing.
I like to vlog and not edit.
I was looking at like YouTube last night,
Mhm.
and I was like, okay, I'll watch the vlogs.
The old ones?
And no, but they haven't even. You haven't.
Oh, there
posted
isn't any. Surprise.
What the
Yeah,
hell
like
have
you
you been
keep on
doing?
vlogging, and,
These are the subscriber reviews.
and you're not you're not editing.
Wait,
So-
what else are we supposed to watch?
You have no content.
Somebody is
We can't watch those YouTubers. Maybe I'll edit. Bridget?
I want to like
Oh, yeah, I know you were like.
Bridget, did I tell you?
No, you didn't tell me. That was
Bridget,
very upset.
Bridget. She can't hear me, I know. I thought she's not turning. Bridget. You want to say hello to me? Say hi. Look. Oh, you're so cute.
actually like so yeah. It's kind of a blessing in disguise, honestly. And the fact that
Bridget.
I really like denim. Yeah. I really like it.
Do you want to say hello to our video?
Oh! I want to come here for everyone.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Get a puppy.
Oh, what's
Shit on my way.
She's gonna like get up and be like, oh no.
She's so good.
Bye bye. Hi vlog, it's Sunday now, and today we're going to Jackie's house. We're gonna get some, I think we're gonna get takeout from like this Italian restaurant that's close to her house. So that'll be nice. I think it's like a really hot day today. So we're just gonna like sit in her backyard, and she has like a lake in her neighborhood, so we'll probably just like go down to the lake. But yeah, we will film once we're there, but that's the plan for today. Talk to you later. Rebecca and I, can you hear me? We're going into Longo's to see if there are any like drinks or snacky things we should bring to Jackie's. So we're going to do that now.
Smash burger. Do you guys like burgers, right? Yeah, I love burgers. Next time you come to Queens, you have to come to Harper's Burger.
When can we go, actually? Because remember we
Jackie's reading the menu for the, what's it called? How do you say it? Local? Locale?
I've been before.
Locale.
Yes, yeah, there's one in King City.
Because it's near Amsterdam.
Jackie, this is so funny. Me and Jackie.
There's so much tea. I just don't even know how to react.
We're just chilling eating the chocolate pretzels. And Taylor's on one side of the backyard on the phone, and Rebecca's on the other. And we're just here
Just eating.
deciding what we're gonna order for dinner. I fucking love this. Hi. And Rebecca's somewhere over there. We don't know.
She's literally right there.
This is so good. She's
this
got a
is kinda fun.
swing.
Watch.
Bye. We're just gonna swing.
Branch break.
Oh yeah, that's actually a little branch.
To start with.
I haven't tried it yet either. Eating our pizzas.
Oh, I can't see.
I don't know what to start with.
Oh.
We'll be
Look who it is. That's all. We're going strawberry picking right now. Yeah. It's like the hottest day of the year also for this, so that's funny. Not literally, but it's just hot. Erica's gonna put on her pinky mask. Yeah, same. I can't see that. This is hard, guys.
Yes, correct.
People about your strawberry picking experience, Rebecca?
Very, very
allowed to be here for?
An hour.
Oh.
I don't know why you would be here for
What?
an hour.
Why are you so excited?
That's
Because-
amazing. I thought we were gonna be kicked out soon.
No, an hour is plenty.
So if you don't like those, we could just keep going. It's great.
Hit the jackpot. So cottage core.
I know. That's what I'm thinking. A bit more.
Okay vlog, it's Canada Day today. And I'm going over to my cousin's house, so I'm not really gonna film anything, but I wanted to show you I'm making a cake with the strawberries that we got yesterday from the strawberry patch. So I'll show you what that looks like. Yeah. So these are the two cakes. And then in between them, I'm gonna put, I think, this, and then like this icing and strawberries. And then on top, I'm gonna put these little ones that have like the stems and this like cream stuff. I think this is called Victoria sponge cake. I just found a random recipe online. I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Is that cute?